Welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the port in AnyDesk. If you need to adjust the local port for network or connection settings, then this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step in a simple way. First, go ahead and open AnyDesk on your computer. Once the application opens, look for the Settings option and click on it. Inside the Settings menu, head over to the Connection section. Here, you will be able to find the local port setting. Now, before you can make any changes, you may notice that the option is locked. To continue, simply click on the Unlock button. After unlocking the settings, you should now be able to edit the local port number. You can replace the current value with any port number you want to use. Keep in mind that changing ports can affect how AnyDesk connects over your network. So it is a good idea not to change these settings unless you understand what the changes do. Once you enter your preferred port, save the settings and you are done. Thanks for watching.